friends, welcome to Motivational and Educational channel. Today we are learning next topic. Metallurgy, Chapter 8, Class 10, Science and Technology, Part 1. Surely ask question in board exams. Important and hot questions are given with weightage of marks. Can you tell? Textbook, page number 93. What are the physical properties of metals and non-metals? Answer. Properties of metals. Solid state exception mercury. Malleability and ductility. Hardness. Good conductor of heat and electricity. High melting and boiling points. Properties of non-metals. Gases or solid state. Exception bromine. Brittleness. Bad conductor of heat and electricity. Low melting and boiling points. Use your brain power. Textbook, page number 98. In the reaction between chlorine and hydrogen bromide, a transformation of hydrogen bromide into bromine takes place. Can this transformation be called oxidation? Which is the oxidant that brings about this oxidation? Answer. The conversion of hydrogen bromide to bromine is an oxidation process. In the above reaction, chlorine is the oxidant. Can you recall? Textbook, page number 102. What is the electronic definition of oxidation and reduction? Answer. When a metal loses electrons, the process is called an oxidation. Na gives Na positive ion plus electron. Oxidation. When a non-metal gains an electron, it is called a reduction. Cl plus electron gives Cl negative ion. Reduction. Use your brain power. Textbook, page number 103. Write the electrode reaction for electrolysis of molten magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. Answer. Magnesium chloride MgCl2. MgCl2 gives Mg 2 positive ion plus 2 Cl negative ion. At the cathode, Mg 2 positive ion plus 2 electron gives Mg. At the anode, 2 Cl negative ion gives Cl2 plus 2 electron. Calcium chloride CaCl2. At the cathode, Ca 2 positive ion plus 2 electron gives Ca. At the anode, 2 Cl negative ion gives Cl2 plus 2 electron. Can you tell? Textbook, page number 104. 1. What are the moderately reactive metals? Answer. In the middle of the reactivity series, metals such as iron, zinc, lead, copper are moderately reactive. 2. In which form do the moderately reactive metals occur in nature? Answer. The moderately reactive metals which occur in nature are in the form of their sulfide salts or carbonate salts. Can you tell? Textbook, page number 106. 1. What is meant by corrosion? Answer. Corrosion is a degradation of a material due to reaction with its environment. Think about it. Textbook, page number 106. 1. Why do silver articles turn blackish while copper vessels turn greenish on keeping in air for a long time? Answer. Silver reacts with hydrogen sulfide in the air and forms silver sulfide. So silver articles turn blackish. Carbon dioxide in moist air reacts with copper vessel and copper carbonate form. So it loses its luster and it turns greenish. Why do pure gold and platinum always glitter? Answer. Gold and platinum are noble metals. They do not react with moisture, oxygen, carbon dioxide from air, acids and alkalis. Therefore, pure gold and platinum always glitter. Can you tell? Textbook, page number 106. 1. Which measures would you suggest to stop the corrosion of metallic articles or not to allow the corrosion to start? Answer. Corrosion of metals can be stopped by detaching the air from metals. To fix a layer of some substance on the metal. By applying a layer of paint, oil, grease or varnish on their surface. 2. What is done so to prevent rusting of iron windows and iron doors of your house? Answer. To prevent rusting of iron windows and iron doors in the house, they are painted so that they do not rust. Use your brain power. Textbook, page number 107. Can we permanently prevent the rusting of an iron article by applying a layer of paint on its surface? Answer. The method of painting is alright for some time. We cannot protect the articles permanently from rusting by painting them. Exercise. Question 1. Write names. A. Alloy of sodium with mercury. Answer. Sodium amalgam. B. Molecular formula of the common ore of aluminium. Answer. Al2O3 and H2O. C. The oxide that forms salt and water by reacting with both acid and base. Answer. Aluminium oxide. Al2O3. D. The device used for grinding an ore. Answer. The device used for grinding an ore is grinding mill. E. The non-metal having electrical conductivity. Answer. Graphite having electrical conductivity. F. The reagent that dissolves noble metals. Answer. Aqua regia is the reagent that dissolves noble metals like gold and platinum. Question 2. Make pair of substances and their properties. Substance, property. Answer. Substance. A. Potassium bromide. Property. 2. Soluble in water. B. Gold. 4. High ductility. C. Sulfur. 1. Combustible. D. Neon. 3. No chemical reaction. Question 3. Identify the pairs of metals and their ores from the following. Group A, Group B. Answer. Group A bauxite. Group B 2 aluminium. B cassiterite. 3 tin. C cinnabar. 1 mercury.